Hello everybody, this is how to draw a lollipop. And next I am going to draw a donut. Now for the last one, I am going to draw a flower. Goodbye everyone, I hope you enjoyed this video.